Hey St. Louis, check out this incredibly loaded 2021 Chevy Tahoe High Country. This vehicle has everything. Before you even get inside, you'll notice remote keyless entry, remote start, and 2 different hatch releases. As you enter, notice automatic running boards, programmable memory seats, Bose sound, a huge infotainment screen with Apple Carplay and Android Auto, heated steering wheel, and heated and cooled seats. Hauling gear is made easier by power folding third row seating, and all of this is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 with 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitoring, radar cruise control, and so much more. Schedule your appointment before it's gone by calling 636-532-9955 or visiting fuszford.com today. And as always, we can replace the car, not the customer.